Hello friends, so today I'm gonna tell you how to decorate your MS Word document. So first, if you want borders on your document, you have to go to Layout tab, and then the Design tab. Then here you will find Layout or Page Border. Then you will find all the borders. And you can select any art also from here, like this. I have selected like this pencil, and then then these will be here. And if you want to draw something, you can draw from here, like this. I have taken red and like that. And to make your text more beautiful, you can go to here and uh, do the choose from here. You can and you can make shadow also, reflection also, and you can make glow also, like. And you can make any from there, like I have selected red. Okay, so I have now I'm going to write uh, see, it is glowing. And you can select the text color of the text also, like I have selected blue. I see, you can do like this. And you can also do there like this, and for this or this to decorate your do in a proper lines. And if you want the space less between the letters, you have to go to layout tab, and this you have to do 0. And if you enter, like I have here, it's 0. I have done. Now I will enter, and the space is less than this. बंद कर। अरे यार, वीडियो बना रहा हो कि नहीं? हाँ।